making sure you would never do bad math like that, right? This is not true. So I'm going to let u equal the inside, 9 plus x squared. So du is 2x dx. Again, if I just rewrite this, sometimes it's easier to see. So you just carry along the integral sign. And I see that u is in the radical, so root u. And then I'm looking to take out x dx. Oh, x dx. That can be replaced with 1/2 du. So I'm going to do that, 1/2 du. And if I take the time to move the 1/2 outside and then rewrite this as u to the 1/2, then I know I can add 1 to the exponent over that same number plus c, or I could flip it, right? 1/2 times 2/3, and then put the x's back in. And that's 9 plus x squared. Oops, that's a really messy x squared. Sorry about that. X squared. And that's the answer. Oh, and I could cancel the 2's, I guess. Okay, let's look at this next one, number 6. Again, you're going to let u equal the inside function. So that's the 9 plus x to the 4th, right? So always use just the inside, never the whole radical. U is equal to 9 plus x to the 4th. So du is 4x cubed dx. So if I take the time to rewrite this, and I'm almost always going to be putting the x guys, the extra x guys, out here by the dx's. So let's look at this. This is my u. So I get u to the 1/3. And let's think about this. Here I have 4x cubed dx, but I just need an x cubed dx. So 1/4 du give me x cubed dx. 1/4 du. All right, so I carry the 1/4 along and think about, oh yeah, I just need to add 1 to the exponent of this. So 1/4, so add 1, you get 4/3 times 3/4 plus c. So 3/16. This is all to the 4/3. So you put in the 9 plus x to the 4th, and there you go. All right, let's look at number 7 here. So again, I'm going to let u equal the inside function. So here, I'm going to let u equal 3x plus 4. So du is just 3 times dx. Okay, so let's be careful with this. I'm just going to rewrite this as 1 over this, and then times the dx. So I'm going to put this in for the u, so I get 1 over root u, and then I want to replace dx, and I can see I've got a 3 dx, so can you see I'm going to get a 1/3 du? Okay, so let's take the time, put the 1/3 outside, and let's rewrite this as u to the negative 1/2. So 1/3 u to the 1/2 over 1/2 or times 2. So I get 2/3, 3x plus 4 to the 1/2 plus c. All right, so let's do number 8 here. Again, I'm going to let u equal the inside function. So that's x cubed plus 4. Okay, so u equal x cubed plus 4. So du is 3x squared dx. So if I take this and rewrite it, 1 over the cube root of x cubed plus 4 times x squared dx. Okay, looking at what I've got. Oops. And I have, okay, so I can take and put x cubed plus 4 inside there. So that's the cube root of u. X squared dx. There it is. I need to move the 1/3 over x squared dx. So this gives me 1/3 du. All right, so then I'm going to take the time to rewrite this. So this is u to the negative 1/3. So if I add 1 to the exponent, I get 2/3 over 2/3 or times 3/2. So I end up getting 1/2. Inside here I have x cubed plus 4 plus a c.